Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys. In my YouTube channel guys, today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we change the lock screen layout in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to change your lock screen layout in your Poco phone, so friend, how can you change? Today I will show you in this video guys how to change the lock screen layout settings. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video. As you can see lock screen layout and clock setting. As you want to change, you can change. Open your phone setting guys, and first you can see this type of settings. So friends, you can see guys your lock screen setting guys, tap on lock screen setting guys and scroll. Friends, you can see guys your lock screen setting, clock format guys, tap here. Friends, you can change from here if you want. So I will click on the second option and come back. Friends, you can see your lock screen layout will change, and guys your lock screen clock format will also change guys. So like that guys, you can change your lock screen layout. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Sorry for the sound guys, ignore the sound guys. I am really sorry friends. Thanks for watching guys.